Student, today we discuss about very important method of the quadratic equation. Up to this we have to discuss factorization method and completing square method. Today we have to discuss about the formula method. Now, how to obtain this formula? Let's study about it. Formula for solving quadratic equation. All of you know that the standard form of the quadratic equation is ax square plus bx plus c is equals to 0. Now student, all of you know that for solving any equation, now we have to convert this coefficient of x square as a is equals to 1. For this converting, we have to divide both sides by the a. Means that we use the completing square method to find out the formula method. So divide both sides by dividing both sides of equation by a, we get. I have to directly write this. Then this equation becomes x square plus b upon a into x plus c upon a is equals to 0. Student, we have to find out the third term. Now for this finding out the third term, we have to use the process which is studied in earlier method, means that completing square method. Now if x square plus b upon a x plus k is equals to, we take here x plus y bracket square, because here is plus sign, so I take here x plus y bracket square. Then squaring this, we get that x square plus b upon a into x plus k is equals to, by using the identity a plus b bracket square, x square plus twice xy plus y square. Then comparing both sides, of equation, we get, when we compare it, x square as same, means that b upon a into x is equals to twice xy and k is equals to how much? Y square. Then student, I have to transpose this twice x to this side. We get that here is b into x, I will write dx, here is a into this twice x is equals to how much? Y. Then this x get cancelled. Then the remaining is that b upon this a into 2 means twice a is equals to y. Therefore, y is equals to b upon twice a. Then we substitute this value of y here. Therefore, k is equals to, y is b upon twice a and its square. The square of this is equals to b square upon 4a square. Then we write this equation such that, therefore this equation becomes this one. We have to write here x square plus b upon a into x plus k. K is how much? b square upon 4a square is our perfect square triangle. Then the equation becomes, now we take here equation is x square plus b upon a x plus c upon a is equals to 0. This is suppose from equation first. Let this is equation number first. Student, we have to adding and subtracting this value, we get our method. Now this is x square plus b upon a x plus b square upon 4a square minus b square upon 4a square plus c upon a is equals to 0. Now student, then this is the square of one bracket. How to find out? The rule is same. Taking the square root of the first term gives the sign of the middle term. Then taking the square root of the third term also, means that b upon this is twice a bracket square. Can you understand? When we squaring this bracket, we get this value. Then here I have write minus sign here. In bracket b square upon 4a square minus c upon a is equals to how much? 0. Then taking LCM of this, we write here next step b upon twice a bracket square minus this value having LCM is 4a square. Observe carefully, here is 4a square present, so b square write as it is minus here is multiply by this a by 4a, mean that 4a, so multiply its numerator also by 4a, mean that 4ac is equals to how much? 0. Student, this is the square of which bracket? We have to write here x plus b upon twice a bracket square minus this is the square of which bracket? Root of b square minus 4ac upon this is twice a bracket square is equals to 0. Can you understand this? We cannot find out square root, so write in symbol, and this is twice a square. Then we use the identity a square minus b square. The identity is a plus b, another bracket a minus b. Therefore we write by using this identity a plus b, means that a is this value plus b is this value, means in root of b square minus 4ac upon twice a. Another bracket is that x plus b upon twice a minus in root of b square minus 4ac upon twice a is equals to how much? 0. Then student, we know that the property if the product of two terms is equal to 0, then at least one of them must be 0. So that by using this, I would write here x plus b upon twice a plus in root of b square minus 4ac upon twice a is equals to 0, or x plus b upon twice a minus root of b square minus 4ac upon twice a is equals to also 0. Then I have to transpose all this value to this side. We get here x is equals to minus b upon twice a minus in root of b square minus 4ac upon twice a, or x is equals to minus b upon twice a minus convert as plus in root of b square minus 4ac upon twice a. Means we write by using this such that, look carefully, this denominator as same, this denominator is also same, so we write here therefore x is equals to minus b minus in root of b square minus 4ac upon twice a. Can you understand this? LCM is twice a, this minus b minus this sign additive, or this we write here x is equals to this LCM is again twice a, then minus b plus in root of b square minus 4ac. That is, we write here x is equals to minus b plus minus in root of b square minus 4ac upon twice a. This is the root of the given quadratic equation, which is ax square plus bx plus c is equals to 0. And this is the formula to find out the roots of the quadratic equation. Now student, here is this plus is denoted by alpha and minus denoted by beta. Therefore, we write this one is alpha is equals to minus b plus in root of b square minus 4ac upon twice a, and beta is equals to minus b minus in root of b square minus 4ac upon twice a. This is the roots of the given quadratic equation when the equation is ax square plus bx plus c is equals to 0. Means that in such equation, first we have to use the method which is we studied in earlier. This one is the completing square method. By using completing square method, first we convert the coefficient of this x square as 1. Then we use this method, and to solve this, when we solving this equation, we get its roots, and this root is called as the formula method. So that the formula is x is equals to minus b plus minus in root of b square minus 4ac upon twice a. Can you understand this? Let's study about the next practice set 2.4. Let's take the practice set 2.4 of the formula method. Now the formula is x is equals to minus b plus minus in root of b square minus 4ac upon twice a. Now the first question is that compare the given quadratic equation to the general form of the equation and write the values of a, b, c. Now here is means that comparing this one is with the standard form. So that solution is comparing, this is x square minus 7x plus 5 is equals to 0. Comparing x square minus 7x plus 5 is equals to 0 with the standard form of equation ax square plus bx plus c is equals to 0. We have the value of abc is a is equals to, when we comparing this with this, we get a is equals to 1, b is equals to minus 7 and c is equals to how much? 5. Then we take this next question, second one is now its solution. Now student, first I have to transpose this to this another side. We get that twice m square minus 5m plus 5 is equals to 0. Can you understand this? When you transpose, convert its signs. Then comparing twice m square minus 5m plus 5 is equals to 0 with the standard form of equation ax square plus bx plus c is equals to 0. We have the values of a is equals to, when we comparing this one, we get that a is equals to how much? 2. Then b is equals to minus 5 and c is equals to 5. Okay, then we take the third one. Now its solution. So simple examples. Here is y square, this 7 transpose y, 7y minus 7y plus 0 is equals to 0. Then comparing y square minus 7y plus 0 is equals to 0 with the standard form of equation ax square plus bx plus c is equals to 0. We have the values of a is equals to, when we compare this, a is equals to 1, b is equals to how much? Minus 7 and the value of c is equals to 0. This is our first question. We see the second one. Question second. Solve the following quadratic equation using the formula method. Now student, we know this formula x is equals to minus b plus minus in root of b square minus 4ac upon twice a. Now first compare this equation with the standard form so that its solution. Comparing with the standard form or of equation ax square plus bx plus c is equals to 0, we get the value of a is how much? 1. Value of b is 6 and value of c is how much? 5. Student, to solve this question, first we have to find out the value of b square minus 4ac separately. So that first I have to find out this value b square minus 4ac. B is how much? 6 square minus 4 into a is 1 6 square is 36 minus 4 5 is 20. The subtraction becomes how much? 16. Subtraction becomes how much? 16. This is the value of b square minus 4ac. Now the formula is that, now here is variable is x, so I have to write here x is equals to minus b plus minus in root of, this one is b square minus 4ac upon twice a. This is the formula. This is formula. Now student, we substitute the values here only. Therefore x is equals to minus b is how much? 6 minus 6 plus minus in root of the value of b square minus 4ac. I have to directly substitute here 16 upon how much? Twice into a. A is how much? 1. Then x is equals to minus 6 plus minus square root of this 16 becomes 4 upon how much? 2. Then we write this 2 times, means that x is equals to minus 6 plus 4 upon 2, or x is equals to minus 6 minus 4 upon 2. Then minus 6 plus 4 becomes minus 2, sign of bigger number upon 2, or x is equals to this having minus 10 upon 2. Minus 6 minus 4 becomes minus 10. Then simplify it, we get that x is equals to minus 1, 2 to get cancelled, means that minus 1, and 2 1 2 and 2 5 or x is equals to minus 5. Therefore the answer in full sentence, x is equals to minus 1 and minus 5 are the roots of given quadratic equation. Can you understand this first question? Okay. Then we take the next question of the question number 2. Second question of the question second. X square minus 3x minus 2 is equal to 0. Solve by using formula method. Now student, its solution. First we comparing this equation with standard form. Comparing with the standard form. Of equation. This equation is ax square plus bx plus c is equals 0. We get the value of abc. A is equals to 1. When we comparing, a is 1, b is equals to how much? Minus 3. C is equals to minus 2. Student, first find out the value of b square minus 4ac. Therefore b square minus 4ac. B is minus 3 square minus 4 into a is 1 into c is how much? Minus 2. Square of minus 3 is plus 9. Minus minus again plus. 4 1 is 4, 4 2 is how much? 8. Then this addition becomes how much? 17. Therefore the value of b square minus 4ac is equals to 17. The formula is here is variable is x, so I have write here x is equals to formula minus b plus minus in root of b square minus 4ac upon twice a. We have to substitute all these values here. Therefore x is equals to minus b. B is how much? Minus 3. So take again bracket plus minus in root of the value of b square minus 4ac is 17 upon how much? 2 into a is 1. Then x is equals to minus minus plus 3 plus minus in root of 17. We cannot find out the square root of this 17 or we cannot factorize this. So we write as it is upon 2 1 is 2. Then we write x is equals to 3 plus in root of 17 upon 2 or x is equals to 3 minus root of 17 upon 2. This is the roots of given quadratic equation. So we write the answer in full sentence. Answer. The value of x is 3 plus root of 17 upon 2 and 3 minus root of 17 upon 2 are the roots of given quadratic equation. Can you understand this question? Okay, let's see the next question. Next question, question number 3. Is 3m square plus twice m minus 7 is equal to 0 by using formula method. Now student, its solution. First comparing with the standard form. Of equation ax square plus bx plus c is equals to 0, we get the value of abc is a is equals to, when we comparing this, a is equals to 3, value of b is equals to 2, value of c is equals to minus 7. Then find out the value of b square minus 4ac. b is 2 square minus 4 into a is 3 into minus 7. Then 2 square is 4 minus plus 4 3s are 12, 12 7s are 84. Addition becomes how much? 88. This is the value of b square minus 4ac. The formula is, now here is variable m, so I have to write here m is equals to minus b plus minus under root of b square minus 4ac upon twice a. Then we substitute the values. M is equals to minus the value of b is 2 plus minus under root of the value of b square minus 4ac is 88 upon these 2 into a is 3. Then m is equals to minus 2 plus minus. Student, we cannot take its square root, but we have to simplify this 88. Then by using the simplification is 4 into 22 upon 3 2s are how much? 6. Now we can find out square root of this 4. Means we write here m is equals to minus 2 plus minus 2 root of 22 upon how much? 6. Here also we take common 2. Therefore m is equals to take common in bracket minus 1 plus minus in root of 22 upon how much? 6. Then we simplify it. Student, when we multiply this 2 to this 4 bracket, we get this value. Look carefully. 2 into minus 1 is minus 2 plus minus as it is 2 into root of 22. I have take common from here. Then simplify it. 2 and the 2 3s are. Means that m is equals to minus 1 plus minus under root of 22 upon 3. We write this 2 times. Therefore m is equals to minus 1 plus root of 22 upon 3. Or m is equals to minus 1 minus root of 22 upon 3. Therefore the answer in full sentence. Answer minus 1 plus root of 22 upon 3 and minus 1 minus root of 22 upon 3 are the roots of given quadratic equation. Can you understand this question? Okay, we see the next one. The next question, question number 4. 5m square minus 4m minus 2 is equal to 0. Solve by using formula method. So for this, first comparing this. Comparing with the standard form. minus plus 4 5s are 20. 20 into 2 is 40. Means that the addition becomes 56. This is the value of b square minus 4ac. Then the formula here is variable is m is equals to, formula is minus b plus minus in under root of b square minus 4ac upon dou ac. Student, we substitute the value of b square minus 4ac and a and b here. We get the variable m is equals to minus b. The value of minus b is how much? Minus 4. Again I will write in bracket plus minus under root of b square minus 4ac is 56 upon, this is 2 into a is how much? 5. Therefore m is equals to minus minus plus 4 plus minus, we cannot find out the square root of 56, so we factorize this. 14 4s are. Okay, then 5 2s are how much? 10. Then next step is m is equals to 4 plus minus square root of this 4 is 2 in root of how much? 14 upon 10. Again student, we take common from this value is 2. Therefore m is equals to 2 in bracket 2 plus minus root of how much? 14 upon 10. We can simplify this. 2 1s are 2, 5s are. Therefore m is equals to 2 plus minus root of 14 upon how much? 5. Then we write 2 times here. Therefore m is equals to 2 plus root of 14 upon 5, or m is equals to 2 minus root of 14 upon 5. This is the root of the given quadratic equation. So we write the answer in full sentence. Answer 2 plus root of 14 upon 5 and 2 minus root of 14 upon 5 are the roots of given quadratic equation. Can you understand this? Okay, we take the next question. Let's see the next question. Question number 5 is y square plus 1 upon 3y is equals to 2. We solve by using formula method, so its solution. First I will write in standard form, means that y square plus 1 upon 3y minus 2 is equals to 0. These two transpose here. Then comparing with the standard form of equation ax square plus bx plus c is equals to 0, we get the value of abc such that a is equals to, when we comparing it, a is equals to 1, b is equals to plus 1 upon 3, look carefully, and c is equals to how much? Minus 2. Then we find out the value of b square minus 4ac is equals to, b is 1 upon 3 bracket square minus 4 into a is 1 into c is minus 2. Then this square is 1 upon 9 minus minus plus 4 2s are how much? 8. Denominator take as 1. Then taking its LCM we get that 9. Then 1 1s are 1, 9 8s are 72 is equals to 72 plus 1 is 73 upon 9. This is the value of b square minus 4ac. B square, therefore again I will write here b square minus 4ac is equals to 73 upon 9. Then we use the formula. The formula is Here is variable is y, so that y is equals to minus b plus minus in root of b square minus 4ac upon twice. Then we substitute the value here. Therefore, y is equals to minus b is 1 upon 3, 1 upon 3 plus minus in root of this value become b square minus 4ac is 73 upon how much? 9 upon twice into a is 1. Then next step is y is equals to, this is minus 1 upon 3 plus minus. We can find out the square root of this 9, but we cannot find out square root of this 73. So that I have to write here 1 upon 3 square root of this 9. Then this is in radical sign 73 as it is upon 2 1s are 2. Student, again we take common here 1 upon 3, so that y is equals to 1 upon 3 in bracket minus 1. Look here, 1 upon 3 take common, here is remaining is minus 1 plus minus this take common, means that remaining is root of 73 upon how much? 2. This is also in denominator, means that 3 into 2 is 6. Therefore, I have to write the next step. This 3 to the 6 means that minus 1 plus minus root of 73 upon how much? 6. Then we write 2 times here, means that minus 1 plus root of 73 upon 6, or y is equals to minus 1 minus root of 73 upon 6. Means that this is the value of alpha and this is value of the beta. Then this is the solution of the given quadratic equation. So write the answer in full sentence. Therefore, answer minus 1 plus root of 73 upon 6 and minus 1 minus root of 73 upon 6 are the roots of given quadratic equation. Can you understand this question? Let's see the next question. Question number 6. 5x square plus 13x plus 8 is equals to 0. Of the question second. Now its solution is, student, already the given equation is standard form, so that comparing with the standard form, of equation ax square plus bx plus c is equals to 0, we get the value of a is, when we comparing this, a is 5, b is 13 and c is equals to how much? 8. Then we find out the value of b square minus 4ac is equals to, b is 13 square minus 4 into a is 5 into c is 8. Then 13 square is 169 minus 4 5 is 20, 28 is 160. Then when we take its subtraction, then b square minus 4ac is equals to how much? 9. Then the formula is, now here I have to write this formula is, variable is x is equals to minus b plus minus in root of b square minus 4ac upon twice a. Student, we substitute the values. Therefore, x is equals to minus, the value of b is 13, means that minus 13 plus minus under root of, we have to find out its value, b square minus 4ac is 9 upon 2 into a is 5. Then x is equals to minus 13 plus minus, we can find out its square root, means that 3 upon 10. Then we write 2 times minus 13 plus 3 upon 10, or x is equals to minus 13 minus 3 upon 10. Then x is equals to minus 10 upon 10, or we can simplify it. Therefore x is equals to minus 1, or here we can simplify by 2. We get that 2 5s are 10, 2 8s are. In that minus 8 upon 5 is the root of the given quadratic equation. So that the answer in full sentence. Answer therefore minus 1 and minus 8 upon 5 are the roots of given quadratic equation. Can you understand this? Okay, then we see the question number 3rd. Now let's see the last question of the practice set 2.4, the question number 3rd. With the help of the flow chart given below, solve the equation is given here, x square plus 2 root of 3x plus 3 is equals to 0 using the formula. Now here is activity is given here, compare equation x square plus twice root 3x plus 3 is equal to 0 and ax square plus bx plus c is equal to 0. Find the value of abc. This is the first step. This is the second. Find the value of b square minus 4ac step. This is third step. Write the formula to solve the quadratic equation. And by using this formula, the fourth step is that substitute the values of abc and find the roots. Mean that you have to find out the nature of the roots also. Now here, solution. Step first I have write here. Step first. This one is compare the equation. Here is I have to write again. Compare equation. X square plus 2 root 3x plus 3 is equals to 0 with the standard form. Equation ax square plus bx plus c is equals to 0. We have the value of abc. A is, when we comparing these two, a is 1, b is 2 root 3 and c is equals to how much? 3. This is our first chart. Then step second. This step second is find the values of b square minus 4ac. Therefore, the value of b square minus 4ac is, so that b square minus 4ac is equals to b is 2 root of 3 square minus 4 into a is 1 into c is 3. Square of this one is 4. Root 3 square is 3 minus 3 4s are 12. 3 4s are 12 minus 12 is equals to how much? 0. Means that the value of b square minus 4ac is 0. Then student, we take the third step. Step third. Write the formula to solve the quadratic equation. The formula is here is variable is x here. Variable is x. So I write here x is equals to minus b plus minus in root of b square minus 4ac upon twice a. This is the formula. Then the last step. Step fourth. Substitute the values of abc and find the roots. We have to substitute the value of abc here and we have to find out its roots also. So that x is equals to minus b. B is this value, means that minus 2 root 3 plus minus under root of this b square minus 4ac become 0 upon how much? Twice into a is 1. Student, when we take the square root of 0 is 0, then this value becomes x is equals to minus 2 root 3 upon 2 ones are 2. This 2 again get cancelled, means that x is equals to minus root 3. This is the root of the given quadratic equation. Now student, this is x is equals to minus root 3 is real and equal roots. So that we have to write the answer of the given question is answer. The value of x is minus root 3 and again we take here is two values here, so that we write the answer is minus root 3 and minus root 3 are the roots of given quadratic equation. Also the roots are real and equal, because the b square minus 4ac is equals to 0. But here is the question is that find roots, not the nature of the roots. So I have to write its the roots. Roots are minus 3 and minus 3. We take two times here because there is plus and minus sign. Minus root 3 and minus root 3 are the roots of given quadratic equation. Now this is the practice set 2.4. Okay, we see about the next practice set in next videos. Thank you very much.